Inside he's, I can say, perfect if you don't count the Chinese MP3 player and all of this stuff here, and this wood, whatever it is. But that's the Balkan, and people fix that like this. But I don't. I prepared the original, whatever this is, CD player, or I'm not sure. But I know that his board is on this unit, and I found the original one. I'm not sure the color is matching, but I will see how it will look like when I find installation for this. Since this is not EU, whatever is name of this, I need this one. So that's the fixable. About rest of the car, it's in good shape inside, I can say that, but mechanically I have really big problems with him. So I got him 1 week ago, I think, and as soon I got him, he started making me trouble. It's 2-liter diesel engine and he's running smoothly until you press the gas pedal. Smoothly. But until you start driving. So I fixed it. So I fixed it. I am going to put the inserts on. But after that, this happened. This side opened perfectly, but this won't open. So I can't open engine hood anymore. And that's just the beginning. So at the end of anything, I had troubles with check engine. As I said, he runs perfectly until you press the gas pedal above 3000 RPMs. But I'm investigating that as soon I would open my hood again, and I will update you with that progress. That was a Jaguar X-Type 2005 year of manufacture, and one of my mistakes. But we will fix him and he will be new again. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.